Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Aguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta inside DPAT's laboratory. Right here in Pangasinan, Don Patrick D. Aguilar proudly bringing you more of Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing action right here on a Run and Gun Wednesday afternoon on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Further ado, here now is our race day number 6 of 7 of the scheduled 9-day race day month of October 2023 right here on the PATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, and we'll begin this right away with our race number 1 of the ranking phase, which will involve Polaris taking on Merrick. Alright, papakita natin sa camera. So it's going to be Polaris versus Merrick, who will kick off this Run and Gun Wednesday edition of the PATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And in this matchup in the ranking phase, ano naman to? Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Tapos lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1 yung knockout phase. Ngayong ranking phase, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Yung mga higher seeds. So in this race number 1, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1. And Merrick will start at lane 2. Alright mga kadipat, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Don Patrick D. Aguilar's DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference on a Run and Gun Wednesday afternoon of October 18, 2023. Yun po birthday greeting muna ngayong araw na ito. Happy birthday today to Madam Belladona Velasco Amansek. Yan, kay Belladona Velasco Amansek, happy birthday ngayong araw na ito, October 18. At bukas kay Arlene David, advance happy birthday bukas. Alright. So here now is our ranking phase that will be started right away with this race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ako na, wala. Atay. Unit ahead. Back lane finger. Final lap. Oh my goodness. Hey, oh. Grabe naman yung bilis ni Merrick. Biglang nagwala. Wow. What a way to start off our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of the DPAT Aguilar's DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with Merrick emerging as a victor over Polaris. Grabe yung pinakitang speed, speed and stability. Surprisingly, talagang naunahan pa niya si Polaris. Grabe. Grabe to mga kadipat. Yan ang mga jump start na tinatawag, ano? At walang embang, surprisingly walang embang yun. Walang umembang sa kanilang dalawa. Nice. That was a nice race to kick off our Run and Gun Wednesday edition on our continuing coverage of our Oktoberfest edition on DTL SMC. Race number 2 will feature a quarterfinals rematch between Setsuna and Metalder, and in this race number 2 of our Run and Gun Wednesday edition, it's going to be Setsuna this time starting at lane 2, and Metalder will start at lane 1. Alright, race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Naku, nagwala rin. Naku po, nagwala rin. Yun, good. Final line kayo. Ito na. Final up. Okay, Logan. Napasuka. Pogong. Chokong. Draw game. Bugum! Bugum! Kaboom! Chugu! Parang binalatan ng basuket. Durog. Draw game. Setsuna and Metalder. No winner. Durog. Alright. Race number 3 right away. And it's going to be McLaren taking on the comebacking MP with a new chassis. With a new orange chassis right now. And silver A parts. Pinalitan ko lang yung puti. Ginawa ko lang puti yung motor cuts niya. Kasi nandun yung stock motor. Yung nakalagay dun sa silver na ano niya, motor cuts, Torque Tune 2. Kaya pinalitan ko dahil stock motor conference to. Dahil puro stock motor lang pong allowed, wala nang iba. Ganun yung stock motor conference. Pwedeng kahit anong pwedeng pro stock, pwedeng box stock, pwedeng ganun yung setup, mix stock, okay lang. Okay lang na ganun yung setup. Pero stock motor lang ang gagamitin at wala nang iba pa. So ganun po ang stock motor conference. Alright. Pero pwede rin yung parang pro stock na, no? Pro stock FM, ganun. Alright. In our race number 3 today, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1 and MP starts at lane 2. Alright, race number 3. The Battle of Orange Army, switch on. Ready, set, run. Good. Ako po, inangana. Lahat po, kanya lane changer. Oh my goodness, inaabot pa ni McLaren. Ay malap, oh my goodness. Ayun, patay. KO. Napasuka rin. Bugum. Sayang. Pero na, naging bato pa. McLaren winner by hit. Alright, grabe to. Grabe, sabi sa'yo, run and gun Wednesday mga kadipat eh. Palibasa kasi nag-refresh ng baterya. Yun ang secret doon. Nag-refresh ng baterya eh. Darag. Darag. Red. MP with the loss. Sayang, panalo na sana. Naging bato pa, umimbang pa. Durug. Durog, gandi oras. Alright, race number 4 tayo. Race number 4 right now, it's going to be Venom taking on Polaris in our race number 4 of the ranking phase today. And in this matchup, dahil parehong Super 2, uupo ako ulit. Dahil parehong Super 2, upo ako rito. So, defeat kasi yung Super 2. Alright, so in this race number 4, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. And Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Good. Final lane changer. Final lap. Grabe yung talo ni Venom. Grabe. Na hento. Venom winner. Alright. Oy, final 3 match kagad yung ating race number 7 mamaya. McLaren versus Venom na kagad sa ating race number 7 today. Holy smoke. Ihingalin pong inyong lingkod sa sobrang bilis magkano. hirap na yung mga reflexes ko eh. Tumatanda na kasi ang lolo nyo. Polaris lost. Galawa na, talo ni Polaris. Surprisingly, naunahan pa ni Merrick. Aray. Alright. Race number 5. Another interesting matchup right here. It's going to be Setsuna taking on Merrick in our race number 5. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 and Merrick starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 5. Switch on.
Ready, set, five.
Naku, nagwala. Oh my God, nagwala. Ayan, oh. Final lane danger, Merrick. Final out.
Go.
Oh! Oh my God! Holy smoke! What burst of speed and stability displayed by Merrick right there. As Merrick emerging victorious over Setsuna. Grabe, 2-0 na kagad. What a jump start para kay Merrick to start off this ranking phase today on the Patsamidig SMC on a run and gun Wednesday afternoon. Late afternoon, patakip silim pa lang po, no? Ano to, loser. Loser pala, no? Yan. Nice. Grabe to. Grabe yung pinapakita speed at stability ngayon ni Merrick. Grabe. Wow. Wow. Two 0. 2-0 kaagad. Grabe. Alright. Race number 6 na tayo. Race number 6 will feature Metalder taking on MP. In our race number 6, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. Alright, race number 6, switch on.
Ready, set, five.
Thank you. Watching Tinder, grabe, patugtog yung talon niya, oh. So, final lap. Alright. MP winner. Alright. Oh, isa pang magandang laban yan. Merrick versus ano? Merrick versus MP ang magiging laban natin sa race number 9. Aba, ratratan to. Sabi ko sa inyo, run and gun Wednesday eh. Ayan na nga. Ayan, pinakitaan tuloy tayo mga kadipat. Holy smoke. MP 1 over Metalder. Alright. Markahan ko lang po. Kaya medyo matagal bago yung next race. Hinamarkahan ko kasi. Ganun talaga pag one man against all odds. One man against all odds po kasi ang inyong lingkod. Ano? Alright. Race number 7 na po tayo. Finals rematch. Rematch from the previous championship race nitong Lunes. Ang mangyayari is kay na Venom at kay McLaurin sa ating race number 7 sa ating ranking phase ngayong araw nito. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. Alright, race number 7, rematch from the previous championship race. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Okay, hit.
Winner.
Winner. Sumalubong eh. Nag-change lane na tapos nasa lubong ni McLaurin. Tumatakbo, stable pa yung takbo ni McLaurin. Tapos biglang na change lane, tumilapon sa kabila. Lahat doon na siya landing. Tapos natamaan pa yan si McLaurin. So, the final result, it's going to be McLaurin emerging victorious over Venom. Alright. McLaurin, nakabawi rin kay Venom. Durug! Biglang nag-airblade eh. Jogoy! Biglang dinag si McLaurin eh. Durug! Talo si Venom. Red mark. McLaurin has yet to garner a red mark today. Tsaka si Merrick, wala pang red mark. Oy, mukhang battle of undefeated mamaya. Posibleng battle of undefeated mamaya between McLaurin and Merrick. Abangan natin nga. Let's see kung manatili silang undefeated. Second hit. Ikalawa, the second race that ended in a hit. Alright. Race number 8. Alright, race number 8 right now is going to be Setsuna taking on Polaris in our race number 8 of the ranking phase today. And it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Parang Super 2. It's purple versus green and blue right here in this race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last lane changer, Setsuna. Ano lang? Okay. Nandun ba? Ayos. Setsuna was just too much. Too hot to handle for Polaris. Setsuna winner. Alright. McLaurin Setsuna yung sunod. Ayun. Puro mabibigat agad yung matchup natin early on. Grabe. Yan ang D-Pops Tamiya League. Lalo na pag run and gun Wednesday. Mas gumaganda pag run and gun Wednesday. Pag Manic Monday, ang daming disgrasya naman. Sabay ganun eh. Sabay ng Alaska eh. Setsuna winner. 3 talo na si Polaris. Sepo. Polaris lost. Last 3 assignments for both Setsuna and Polaris. Setsuna, Venom, McLaurin, and MP. Ganon din si Polaris, Metalder, MP, and McLaurin. Okay. So, MP yung hintayin dyan ni Polaris mamaya. Alright. Race number 9 na po tayo. It's going to be Merrick taking on MP in our race number 9. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1 and MP starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Sakay. Alright. Alright, go game. Draw game. Tabla. Ganda sanang karera yan. Nagkaimbangan naman. Daya. Hindi pa kasi pwedeng magpunas dahil wala pa tayo sa knockout stage eh. Ranking phase. Parang puntusan lang kasi ito. No? Ayun, tama. Winner yon. Ay, hindi. Huling natumba pala. Ay, hindi. Unang natumba. Tama. Unang natumba si MP. Bago si Merrick. Draw. For both Merrick and MP. Next. Race number 10 right away. Yan. Naimarka ko na. Double check lang. Double check lang ta. Okay. Sige. Race number 10 is going to be Venom taking on Metalder. And in this matchup of Lightning Web and Laser Arm, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Metalder starting at lane 1. Alternate starting lane po yung mga higher seed. Ganun din yung lower seed. Alright, race number 10. Switch on. Ganda laban to. Ready, set, bye. Okay, sabi. Parang McLaurin lang yung takbo ni Venom eh. Match na match. Final game changer. Venom, Gamma Chlorine, match na match. Final lap. Draw game. Ayun, na-jinx ko. Na-jinx. Na-jinx. Op. T-shirt time out. Ako na sana. Draw game. Pareho rin umimbang na-jinx. Na-jinx si Venom eh. Huling tatong ba yun? Draw ulit. Tapos na sana kay Venom eh. Darag. Okay. Recap tayo. Split si Venom sa 3 laro. McLaurin, 2 laro, panalo, pareho. Miwik, 2 panalo, 1 tabla. Polaris, lahat talo. Tapos tig-isa rin si Setso na. Pagkaya ni Venom din, tig-isang talo, tabla, tsaka panalo. Metalder, 2 tabla at 1 talo. Tapos ganun din si MP, tig-isa rin na panalo, talo, tabla. Gandang laban to. Gandang laban to. Sabi ko sa inyo, run and gun Wednesday eh. Alright, race number 11 na po tayo. It's going to be McLaurin taking on Setsuna. Another chapter in their arch rivalry. Another chapter in their historic rivalry on DPAT Tamiya League between McLaurin and Setsuna. And in this race number 11, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Alright, race number 11. Switch on.
Ready, set, bye.
Good. Setsuna ahead. McLaurin trying to catch up. Last lane between Setsuna. Final lap. Oh, nakatapa. Oh, what a dive, grabe. Grabe yung dive na yun ni Setsuna. Pagpapunta sa bouncy slide, gumanon talaga. Buti na lang yung umislide na gano'n. Tapos gumulong, papante. That was good. Setsuna, winner. Istan! 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 Teka, ayos lang natin ang camera. Baka nakamali na tayo ng alam. Okay. Kaya lang naman siguro. I think that was good lang. Okay. Nice. Nice lang yung 11. McLaurin losing for the first time. Setsuna pa. Si Setsuna pa ang nakasilat. Darag. Kaya Setsuna lang pala masisilat. Sila. So lahat may marka. Si Merrick na lang ang wala. Si Merrick na lang yung wala pang red mark. Maganda laban to. Alright. Same people ata. Alright, race number 12, it's going to be Polaris taking on MP in our race number 12. In this matchup, it's going, Battle of Super 2 pala ito. It's a green versus orange, blue and green versus orange and silver. So, or white, orange, silver, and white. So, in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 this time. And MP will start at lane 1. Alright, race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, jogging. Jogging. Tabla. Tabla ang labanan ni MP at ni Polaris. Empo. Empo, parehong na KO. Double KO. Last two assignments for Empei, Venom, and Setsuna. And then, last two assignments for Polaris, McLaurin, Metalder. Yun, yung mga maglaban sa race number 14 mamaya. Yun yung last assignment ni Polaris. Okay. Next, race number 13. Race number 13, it's going to be Venom taking on Merrick. Alright, maganda, interesting matchup na naman ito. Sa ating race number 13, wherein Venom starts at lane 1 and Merrick starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Okay. Draw. Walang nagkatamaan. No hit. No winner. Buti nga ganun lang. Kala ko magkakasalubong eh. Buti na lang, di sila nagkasalubong. Natulumi si Venom eh. Natulumi si Venom. Nasigawan ng tulumi. Pero yung si Merrick, sub-sub dude. Buti na lang, di nagkasalubong. Draw. Draw again. Waiting yan. Waiting dalawa. Draw ulit tayo. Venom, Merrick. Draw. Okay. Next. Race number 14. Ayun, naka-display na pala. Metalder, McLaurin, Metalder. Okay. Race number 14 na tayo between McLaurin and Metalder this time. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1. Alright, race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oy, patay. Patay. Draw. Iri. Ay, bigla na switch off. Bigla na switch off eh. Draw eh. Biglang na eh. Biglang nag-switch off. biglang switch off si McLaurin eh. Draw. Draw. Ay, sino yung unang nano? Ay, sino yung unang natumba doon? Metalder. Ay, hindi. Ano na ba yan? 14? 14 ano? Yung huling natumba si ano eh. Venom ano, yung una natumba si Venom. Tama, una natumba. Pero panalo na ito si Metalder eh. Sino ba yung last two assignment si Metalder? Ay, tama. Polaris at saka ano na lang, Merrick. Ay, si McLaurin, Merrick at saka si Metalder. Ay, tama. Tama, ganun nga. Sige. Sige, pwede rin. So si Venom, yung last two assignment niya, Setsuna MP pala, no? Ayaw maglaban pala dito. Di yung, ano na, una natumba. Una matumba dyan. Kung draw. Draw ulit to. McLaurin, draw. Metalder, draw again. Draw dahil para tumirik si McLaurin eh. Okay. Ayos na yan. Race number 15. Okay, race number 15 na po tayo. It's going to be Setsuna versus MP. Again, another interesting matchup between the purple and black against the orange and white. Or orange and gray pala. Orange and silver. Orange silver versus black. purple. Mangyayari dito sa ating race number 15, wherein Setsuna will start at lane 1. O, race 15 pa ito, odd number. So, Setsuna starts at lane 1, Empay starts at lane 2. Nasa ko muna yung mga excess oil, medyo kumakalit konti. Alright, race number 15. Switch on. Bakbakan to. Ready, set, bye. Sabi ko, bakbakan eh. Setsuna still ahead. Last two. Oh my God. Final lap. Okay. Hey, oh. Walang natumbas. Mukha sini. Wow. Grabing laban. Sabi sa inyo, bakbakan eh. Kaya lang talagang Setsuna was just too much. Too fast for its own good. Setsuna winner. Ethan! Ethan! Si Venom, ano yung mga last assignment ni Venom? Empay Setsuna. Ay, oh, tama. O, yun, loser muna. Loser muna muna. Yun, tama. Winner, Setsuna. Last assignment ni Setsuna, si Venom. Si Empay, ang last assignment naman niya, si Venom din. Ay, oh. Ayun ang last assignment pala. Setsuna MP. Silang tatlo pala yung mga last assignment. What a coincidence nga naman. Oh my God. Tapos, lost pala, no? Si MP. Mabilis nga si MP pero talagang mas halimaw lang si Setsuna. Setsuna was just too much. Too hot to handle. Just too hot to handle. Alright, race number 16. Okay, race number 16 na tayo. It's going to be Polaris taking on Metalder. Yung mga naglaban sa ano noon, yung isang race natin, I think last week. Sila yung naglaban sa ano, last Wednesday, sila yung naglaban doon sa tiebreaker pace, tapos sila rin ang quarters. Grabe yan. Pero let's see dito sa rivalry na ito sa race number 16 between Metalder and Polaris. Yan. Polaris, Metalder dito. Yun. Alright. So in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 and Metalder starting at lane 1. Race 16 kasi ito. Okay. Race number 16, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Topic man eh. Good. Final lane danger. Final lap. Polaris finally winning it. Alright. Minamalas ang laser arm ngayon. Minamalas ngayon yung laser arm. Palay sabit. Last assignment ni Polaris, McLaurin. Si Metalder, ang last assignment, Mary. Palitan lang sila mamaya doon. Kabila. Okay. Wala palang magba-back to back. Good. Okay, recap tayo ulit. Venom, 1 win, 1 loss, 2 draws. Correct. McLaurin, 2 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw. Check. 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw. Setsuna, check. 3 losses, 1 draw, 1 win. Polaris, check. Mary, 2 wins, 2 draws. Check. Tapos 3 draws, 2 losses. Metalder, check. Then 1 win, 2 losses, 2 draws, and paycheck. Okay. Alright. Race number 17 na tayo. Down to our last 5 races in the ranking phase today. Muli, magandang gabi na po. Good evening to all right now. At as of the moment, mga alas 6 na po ng gabi. Dahil ano nga po, tuloy na lumubog yung araw. Kumagat ng dilim. Alright, race number 17. It's going to be McLaren taking on Merrick. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. Alright, race number 17. Switch on. Akbakan yan. Ready, set, bye. Fast forward. Akbakan na, sabi ko. Jogging. Tabla. Target point. Tabla. Oh, t-shirt time out. Draw game. So si Metalder na lang iintay ni Merrick dyan. Draw. Metalder, last assignment for Merrick. McLaren, last assignment Polaris. Same with Polaris. Yun. Okay. Next. Race number 18. Race number 18, it's going to be the blue and black against the orange and silver. Venom versus MP is our matchup in our race number 18. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, MP at lane 1. Parang super 2 kasi. Alright. It's blue versus orange right here in this race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Good. Nag-stumble lang. Natisod. Final lane failure. Final up. 5. Good. Umiimbang pa. Mas mabagal lang ako, umiimbang pa. Ano kaya yun? Venom. Winner. Alright. Cross Venom Setsu na. Yun. I think tapos na si MP. Last na yun. Last na ni MP pala yan, yung race number 18. So, tapos na si MP. Taob na. Taob na lang natin. MP ended its ranking phase campaign with a loss against Venom. Alright. So, a total of 4 points. 1 win, 2 draws, 3 losses. Venom, 2 wins. Alright. Woo! Hinihingal kabayo ang inyo pong lingkod. Diyos ko po. Alright, race number 19. Down to our last 3 races. So, pag ganito na yung basa natin. Yung basa natin mula kaliwa ko hanggang kanan. Yung last, yung dalawang BC chassis machine, yun ng race 21. Para hindi nakakapagod. Para iwas back to back. Alright, race number 19 is going to be McLaren taking on Polaris. And in this race number 19, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1. Again, Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Polaris ahead. Let's see if Polaris can hold on to the lead. On the title, final lane changer Polaris. Final lap. Touchdown. Second red mark for McLaurin. Dorog. Polaris ending the ranking phase this Run and Gun Wednesday evening with a bang upon winning over McLaurin. So this will close out McLaurin and Polaris in their ranking phase campaign, in their respective ranking phase campaign, with McLaurin losing against Polaris. So nakahabol pa. Nakahabol pa. Dalawang pulang marka si McLaurin. So ang final score kay Polaris will be how many points? 5. Then McLaurin will have 6. Mataas pa rin. Dalawang tabla. Tapos dalawang panalo, tapos dalawang tabla. Split pala niya, dalawang panalo, talo, tabla. Split. Split siya. Grabe, ang gandang ano yun ha. Tawad na pala. Okay, last 2 races. Battle of Dark Warriors na po sa ating race number 20. It's going to be Venom taking on Setsuna. And in this matchup of Dark Warriors, Duel of Dark Warriors, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Setsuna starting at lane 1. Alright, the 20th and the penultimate race of our ranking phase, this Run and Gun Wednesday edition. Switch on! Ready, set, fire! Setsuna ahead. Venom, hinahabol si Setsuna. Grabe, nagwala. Malakas kayo ng Baby's Wave. Final up. Warat yung lightning web. KO. Natulong pa. Aray. Natulong pa. Mas mabagal na, natulong pa. Aray. Aray ko po. Aray ko po. Doon pa nadali. Ending its ranking phase campaign with a bang is Setsuna winning over Venom. Isan! 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 Top seed na. Sigurado na top seed to. Setsuna. Top seed na to. Antakin mo, 4 na panalo. Wow. Venom tsaka McLaurin, tabla. Tigalawang panalo, talo, tabla. Win over the other na lang. McLaurin makakakuha. Yung McLaurin makakakuha. May tiebreaker pa rin, so hindi kailangan mag-tiebreaker phase. Sa in case of a tie kasi kung sakaling pareho ng point output, pareho ng score, halimbawa parehong 6 points, di either win over the other. Ang first option, win over the other. Kung hindi na ko sa win over the other, number of wins. Number of wins na. Pag ganun pa rin, number of win, number of identical parehas. Pareho na score, pareho rin ng win-loss draw card, tiebreaker. Pero sa puntong ito, talagang win over the other. Setsuna, final score 9. Alright. Down to our final battle in our ranking phase today. It's going to be Merrick taking on Metalder. So battle of VZ chassis machines to close out our ranking phase today on Run and Gun Wednesday evening right now. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. Alright, let's brace ourselves now for our 21st and final race of the ranking phase this Run and Gun Wednesday. Switch on! Battle of VD chassis machines. Ready, set, bye. Good. Mirror ahead. Sabay. Good. Tato. Final up. No. Dropping. Okay. So, we will end the ranking phase with a draw from Metalder and Merrick. Sayang, ganda na sana. Ang ganda na sana yun, mga kadipat. Wow. Ganda na sana ang laban yun eh. Tabla rin. Tabla rin. Silang gawa. Mas maraming panalo si Miri kumpara kay Metalder. Metalder naman 2 talo. Siya naman 2 panalo. So, ano yan? Mabe-break din yung check. Ayos. So, ranking pace result are as follows right here. So, yan nga po yan. Yung mga naging distribution of points nila. Yan. 2 and 4. At ito, papakita na natin sa crosshatch na to. So, ang nanguna po natin at the end of this ranking phase tonight, it's going to be Setsuna who will garner the top seed at the end of this ranking phase today. Setsuna with a total of 9 points, getting the highest score with 4 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw, making it a total of 9 and a top seed, the first outright semifinalist. The other being Mirik. Surprisingly, si Mirik outright semis. Makakapasok po na semis ulit. With a total of 2 wins and 4 draws. Yung first 2, pinanalo niya yung unang 2, tapos yung 4 na dikit na draw. 4 na tigit na tabla na yung sumunod na nangyari. Alright. So, yun yung naging total niya. 8 points and another semi-slot. So, sina Setsuna at Mirik, yung mga naglaban sa kanina, sila yung nakakuha ng slot. Yung nakakuha ng outright semis slot. Then, yung number 3 and number 4, tied at 6 points were McLaurin and Venom. But due to the win over the other during race number 7, nanalo rin si McLaurin against Venom, nakabawi. Kaya naman, si McLaurin na makakuha ng tiebreaker against Venom, making it the 3rd seed, and Venom will be relegated to 4th seed. And the other, in solo 5th seed, is going to be Polaris, with 2 wins, 3 losses, and 1 draw, making it a total of 5. And sina Metalder at MP yung mga kulelat, pero due to the win over the other again with a total of 4 points, ang naging resulta si MP ang nanalo laban kay Metalder sa kanilang duelo, getting the tiebreaker and the last knockout stage berth. And unfortunately for Metalder, dahil siya yung nangulelat, dahil 2 losses, 4 draws lang yung naging output niya, unfortunately ito ay maagang mamamaalam ngayong gabi. So, isang VZ chassis lang po ang malalaro natin from October 23, 2023, 10-23-23. Ang mga Super 2, lahat ng Super 2 cars kasali. Tapos isang VZ chassis lang ang kasali sa ating October 23, 2023 or 10-23-23 edition ng ating DTL SMC. So, kasado na po ang ating KO stage. I-arrange lang po natin. Alright. So, si MP yung nakakuha ng huling slot. McLaurin MP. So, repeat of race number 3. Yung mangyayari sa ating, repeat of race number 3. Yung mangyayari sa ating, quarters 2. Actually, quarters 2 yan. Mauuna ngayon yung quarters 1. Lane 2 yung higher seed. Tapos sa quarters 2 at semis 2, lane 1 ng higher seed. So, yung po mangyayari yan. Okay. So, si Setsuna, top seed. Tapos, si Venom, 4th. Polaris, 5th. Yan. O, tapos, 3rd and 6th. Tama. Yung mga lower seed dito. Alright. So, we'll proceed right away with our KO or knockout stage this Run and Gun Wednesday right here on D-Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Let's start off our festivities in the KO stage tonight with our first quarterfinals matchup. It's going to be the 4th seeded Venom taking on the 5th seeded Polaris in our quarterfinals number 1. Sa kanilang previous meeting, nanalo si Venom laban kay Polaris. Tingnan natin kung makaulit si Venom laban kay Polaris sa ating quarterfinals number 1 tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Polaris will start at lane 1. Again, Venom at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes in this quarterfinals 1. Alright. Dragon's Breath activate. Parang sa ano eh, ano lang yung parang yung trompeta ni Green Ranger. Miss you. We always miss you, Jason David Frank, JDF. We always miss you right here all across the globe. Forever being a fellow Power Ranger fan myself. Nakakamiss yan si JDF, syempre. The Green Dragon Zord Ranger. Dahil na-activate ko ngayon ng Dragon's Breath. Alright mga ka-DPAT, still you're watching DPAT Samia League Stock Motor Conference this October 18, 2023, and we are now in our KO stage that will be started right away with this quarterfinals number 1. So it's on. Ayaw pa na super to. Ready, set, bye. Pagan. Release allowed to us. Final lane changer Venom. Final lap. KO! Winner! Winner! Ayaw pa rin patalo ni Venom. Gusto pa niyang bumawi kay Setsuna. And another misfortune for Polaris, as Polaris will bow out of contention tonight. As Polaris will be eliminated by Venom in our quarterfinal duel, or in our KO stage going to the semi-slot. And it's going to be Venom emerging victorious over Polaris and gaining another semis berth to face Setsuna, to face its fellow Dark Warrior Setsuna in our semifinals round. In the meantime, it's going to be McLaren, the 3rd seeded car, taking on the 6th seeded car, MP. So it's a repeat of race number 3 earlier today. And it's going to be McLaren this time starting at lane 1 and MP starting at lane 2. So yun po, again, McLaren at lane 1, MP at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Alright, Dragon's Breath activate. Alright mga ka-DPAT, let's get ready to rumble here in this quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Okay. Bagabang. Okay, winner. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Hindi ko na nasalo mga ka-DPAT. Pasensya na. Mahina na yung reflexes ng lolo nyo eh. Mahina talaga yung reflexes ng lolo nyo. Hindi na ako makaabot. Hingal na eh. Buti na lang hindi pa gaano na. Unfortunately, in an unfortunate incident, it's going to be McLaren who will be bowing out of contention once more. And McLaren, another early elimination tonight, this month of October 2023. Dahil nasigawan ng Batumi. Instead na Tulumi, asigaw kay McLaren, Batumi! Na Batumi, si McLaren. Bato-bato kasi yan Bracken Chaigang pa naman. Naturalmente, instead na Tulumi, Batumi sisigaw. Alright, so in an unfortunate incident, McLaren will be bowing out of contention upon seeing MP winning over McLaren in our quarterfinals number 2. And MP will face Mirik in our semifinals number 2. So it's a non-FM. So puro non-FM po ang pasok sa ating semifinals ngayong Run and Gun Wednesday edition natin sa DPAT Tamiya League SMC. And right away, rightfully so, it's going to be Setsuna, the top seeded car, going up against a 4th seeded Venom. It's a traditional 1 versus 4 matchup in our semifinals number 1, wherein Setsuna will start at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane 1. I repeat, Setsuna at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2 rather, and Venom starting at lane 1. Alright. So yun po yung mga starting lane nila. Lane 2 si Ben. Lane 2 si Setsuna. Lane 1 si Venom. Dragon Spread. Activate. Sabay ka. Sabay nagpatawa ang inyong lingkod. Siyempre, for entertainment. Of course. Alright. So we are now in our semi-finals round that will be started right away with the semi-final. That will be started right away with this semi-finals number 1, the Battle of Dark Warriors Switch on Marvel versus SNK ang labanan natin dito. Ready, set, fight! Patay! Buti na lang hindi nagkakasalubong. Buti na lang hindi nagkakasalubong. Got a danger effect na. Final lap. KO. Istan. Istan. Wow. Grabe yung semis 1 yun mga kadipat. And it's going to be Setsuna emerging victorious over Venom to clinch the championship race stint once more. Sa balik finals, itong si Setsuna tatapos talunin si Venom sa kanilang semi-final duel. And in our semi-finals number 2, this time it's going to be the 2nd-seeded Myrick taking on the 6th-seeded MP. So 2 versus 6 naman ngayon ang matchup sa ating semis 2. Wherein the starting lane of our cars are as follows. It's going to be Myrick at lane 1 and MP at lane 2. Pare-parang kulay. Tamang-tama. Again, Myrick at lane 1, MP at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Alright. Dragon's Breath, activate. Magandang laban to. MP versus baka nga mag last man standing lang to eh. Baka last man ito, last man. Let's see. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time to brace ourselves for our semi-finals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Patay. Good. Last 2. Final. Oh, re-race pa more. Sumabit pa. Nawalan pa ng balance. Bigla kasi nag-ano yun eh. Palagay ko yung dahilan yun, yung talagang pag-ikot na kaliwa. Kaya na-off balance tuloy siya. Teka, i-rearrange natin. Re-race pa more. Re-race tayo sa semis 2. Ganda na sana eh. Ito okay na sana eh. Nadali lang eh. Ay, hindi pa muna. Punas kulong pala muna. Alright, first of 2 restarts here in the semis 2. Ready, set, bye. Here ahead. Boom. Last 2. Final up. KO winner. At last, makakascore ulit si Myrick. Nakapasok ulit ng final si Myrick. At last. Wow! What a victory! What an upset victory against MP. And it's going to be Myrick emerging victorious. The Lunar Wolf Ranger is emerging victorious over MP. So yung mga top seeded cars natin at the end of the ranking phase this Run and Gun Wednesday on DTL SMC. finalists po ulit. Sila ang championship race competitors tonight. And in the meantime, it's going to be the number 4 Venom taking on the number 6 Mpe in our race for third. Alright, dinahandaan ko na para talagang kasi medyo hinihingal ng inyong lingkod. At least wala pang alas 7, tapos na to. Medyo na-extend lang kanina sa semis 2. Grabeng laban yun. Alright, race for third natin, Venom versus Mpe sa Battle of Super 2 ulit, yung laban sa gaya ng semis 1. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. Venom will be lane 2, Mpe at lane 1. Yung po yung kanilang mga respective starting lanes. Wait, sorry. Pero magandang bakbakan pa rin to Magandang, inaasahan natin magandang bakbakan tong sina Venom na si Mpe. Yung mismong inyong lingkod na excite talaga. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on the Pats Tamiya League's Top Motor Conference. First, to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, 5. 6 laps lang yan, all the way. Gandang laban Patay! Kaisahan! Final lap! Oh my goodness! Oh! What an upset! Dorog! Naisahan si Venom! Patay! Patay! Malas! Na-chooks to go! Na yung napulupot ng sariling lightning wave si Venom kaya natalo kay Mpe. And it's going to be Mpe finally scoring 1 point on its aggregate score this month of October 2023 with a third place finish. Finally naka-podium din si Mpe. Alright. Dito na yung podium natin, podium plate mamaya. So unfortunately si Venom walang point na ma-score. Ang pala ngayon, by the way, ang aggregate scoring, si Venom ang namumuna with 10, and then tabla, par second, sina Metalder at McLaren with 6 points apiece. And then Setsuna with 5, 2 points na lang ang hahabulin ni Setsuna kay Venom kung sakali. So, mangunguna pa rin naman si Venom anyway. Kung maka-champion mo si Setsuna ngayon, 2 points lang lamang ni Venom. May 2 points pang lamang si Venom kay Setsuna if ever. Pero si Mpe at least may 1 point. So si Polaris na lang hindi pa nakaka-score. Alright. We're now down to our one final duel tonight on the Pats Tamiya League SMC this Run and Gun Wednesday. And it's going to be Setsuna, the top seeded car, going up against the second seeded car, Merrick. So yung top 2, yung mga outright semifinals natin, sila sa dulungan, sila pa rin ang magkalaban. Sila rin pala maglalaban sa championship. Alright. So in this championship race between Setsuna and Merrick, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 and Merrick will start at lane 2. Again, Setsuna at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. Ayan. Let's make sure na okay. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to brace ourselves for our championship race to culminate our festivities on this Run and Gun Wednesday evening right here on the Pats Tamiya League's Top Motor Conference. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Shout out kay Merkel Samosa. Ready, set, bye. Oh my goodness, makaka-upset pa yata. May upset yata. Nangangamoy upset. Last 2 laps. Final lane changer. Murray. Final lap. Nakatulong talaga yung shoutout. Tama lang pala, nag-shoutout. Ayun, min, sinurti. Mga kadipat, what a way to close out our Run and Gun Wednesday festivities right here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with Merrick emerging as our new champion. At the end of this Run and Gun Wednesday, si Merrick, the Lunar Wolf Ranger, ang champion ngayong gabing ito. Holy smoke! Holy smoke! Ang BC, tinatalo yung mga Super 2. Grabe to mga kadipat. Wow! Unbelievable. That was unbelievable. Our final results. Grabe ang naging racing natin ngayong Run and Gun Wednesday. Pati po yung inyong lingkod, hiningal na. Alright. So these are the podium finishers for this Run and Gun Wednesday edition on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with Merrick, the Lunar Wolf Ranger. Parang combination namin ni Myrtle tsaka ako. Myrtle and Don Patrick, pag pinagsama mo, isang tao rin, Merrick pala. Kasi yung first 3 letters kanya, yung last 3 letters akin. Grabe. Shout out to Lee. I love you so much, Mama Chup Chup. Okay. See you soon here in Urdaneta. Alright, congratulations to Merrick being our new champion for today's edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference on Run and Gun Wednesday. Grabe yung pinakita ni Merrick ngayong Wednesday na ito. Sino mag-aakala magcha-champion siya ulit after a long while. The last time kasi na nag-champion si Merrick was December 12. December 12 I think, champion siya. Yun yung unang championship niya sa D-Pats Tamiya League. Ngayon, pangalawa lang niya ngayon sa kasaysayan. 4 finals appearances, splitting it. Splitting all those 4 finals stints. Itong si Merrick. 2-2 sa championship race. Grabe. Once again, congratulations. And also, Setsuna, congratulations as well. Winning second place today. And additional 2 points on aggregate. Si Merrick, dagdag 3. So, 5 na ngayon. 5 points na ngayon on aggregate si Merrick. Si Setsuna naman, meron siyang 7. So, 3-point edge against 3-point edge may Venom. 3-point deficit against Venom. Meron pa siyang 3-point deficit kay Venom. So, solo second si Setsuna with 7 points. And then, McLaren and Metal, they're tied at 6 apiece. Tapos si Merrick, number 5 na. Cementing it all on number 5. Neon Sara and MP, tabla ngayon with 1 point. First point this October 2023 for MP after winning third. 1 point. Ang point distribution po kasi natin, 3-2-1 pag stock motor conference. Pero kapag may mga tune motor involved, yung dati na nating ginagawa. Yung matagal na nating ginagawa sa D-Pats Tamiya League, yun yung pag merong mga tune motor na involved. Pero pag puro stock motor lang, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point. Yung podium. Yung podium 3, 2, and 1. First to champion, second, third respectively. So ganun po. Alright, with only 3 races left, pahigpit po ng pahigpit ang mga labanan sa D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Halos lahat ng mga auto na ginawa ko talaga palaban. Once again, acknowledge ko lang po yung taos pusong pasasalamat sa Tamiya Changi Online at sa The Quick Hobby Shop sa lungsod ng Malolos sa Bulacan. Opo, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hopefully makalaro ko kayo real soon. Basta pag talagang nakaluwag-luwag pag talagang natapos na yung delubyo sa dumating sa buhay ko maglaro tayo ulit minsan. Hopefully nga lang okay pa yung katawan ko para maglaro. Sana mabigyan pa ako ng Panginoon ng karagdagang pang buhay mas mahaba pang buhay at lakas, pati na rin si Daddy syempre. Alright, so that will do it for our Run and Gun Wednesday edition today on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 18, 2023 with these podium finishers right in front of you. And once again, this has been your host and racer, host cum racer as well, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar po ang inyong punong lingkod, signing off for now, and thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime. Yung may sumilip kanina, shout out, maraming salamat. To all who will be watching on this video like every Monday and Wednesday, except on next week, may special time po tayo. Yung pang October 30 natin, mas maaga na, October 28. Tatapusin na natin ng Oktoberfest ng Dipats Tamilig SMC. Once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs, and all other negativities and toxicities around you. Iwas po sa mga toxic na tao, lalo na yung mga marites na puno ng kabalbalan, ha? And so, para hindi po tayo masalisi. Alright, and as always, protect ourselves from all those negativities and toxicity at all times. As always, mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world, especially Israel. Hopefully, mahumupan na po yung tension. Sana nga po, tuluyan na matapos ang digmaan, pakikidigma ng Israel sa Hamas. Opo. Sana nga po, matapos na po yung digmaan. Maging peaceful na po tayo mamuhay lahat. Lalo na yung mga OFW po natin doon na naiipit sa digmaan. Sana po maiuwi na po sa lalo madaling panahon dito sa Pilipinas. We always pray for their safety so that they can be with their respective families back home safe. Alright. So muli po, ito pa si Don Patrick D. Paraguilar, leaving you a pleasant Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been another presentation of another Run and Gun Wednesday edition of Dipats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. For now, mga kadipat, this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguilar na nagsasabing, Shukran, Tusentak.